Welcome to MakerSpace, where science and creativity collide in a thrilling adventure. MakerSpace is divided into three exciting focus areas: toys, gadgets, and games. Each module blends physics with engineering and design thinking, fostering innovation and real-world problem-solving skills. As part of our STEM Without Screens initiative, MakerSpace emphasizes hands-on exploration, giving students opportunities to learn through building, designing, and creating, without relying on devices. In toys, students explore scientific concepts like gravity and momentum through hands-on projects. As they design and build innovative toys, they gain a deeper understanding of how these principles work in everyday life. Gadgets challenges students to think like engineers. They'll conceptualize, plan, and construct their own gadgets, applying scientific knowledge in creative and practical ways. In games, students strengthen their collaboration and communication skills by working together to design and build original games. This focus area emphasizes teamwork, creativity, and the shared joy of building something from the ground up. Through all three modules, students will learn, create, and innovate, gaining confidence in science and engineering in a fun and supportive environment. Join us for MakerSpace and watch your students' love for science and creativity grow like never before.